What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. Today I thought that I would show you all everything that I got for Christmas this year. Before I start this video, I just would like to show you all that I just got my hair done. I'm loving it. I got a blonde balayage. I will insert my before and after pictures right here. Let me say, who let me have hair like that before? I don't know. But I'm obsessed with it. I'm loving it so much, so I thought that I had to film a video today. Before I start this video, of course, I have to do the whole famous disclaimer that I'm not trying to brag in any way. I'm very thankful for everything that I got. I absolutely love watching these videos, so I had to make a video of this. I feel like as you get older, Christmas is more about like, I don't know, like I personally love to give gifts more than I like to receive. That's just me, you know, don't get me wrong, I love to get gifts, but like seeing other people open the gifts that I give, like I always put a lot of thought into my gifts, so just like seeing people open them is just like definitely my favorite part about Christmas. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with like electronics and items, and then I'm gonna move into clothes. So the first thing that I got I'm so excited about is right here on my wrist. I got the Series 4 Apple Watch, and I got it with the cellular, which I'm super pumped about. I got it with cellular so that I'd be able to like go to the gym, go to class, and like literally leave my phone at home. Like I won't even need it anywhere around me, and I think that'll help a lot with like distractions and stuff, because I'm like in class it's so easy to sit on Instagram, and I feel like if I don't even have my phone with me, like I won't be doing that, hopefully. And like at the gym it'll be so nice because I can just like, I don't even have to like carry anything around with me anymore. I got the rose gold one and then with the pink band. So next thing that I got, you can see it's sitting right here. I got an Alexa. I have wanted, hello Alexa.
Hi.
So I got an Alexa. I have been wanting one for so long now, and you never really realize how much you really need it until you have it. Some of the stuff she does is just so cool. Like I can say like good morning to her and she can list out anything that I want to her, like that I want her to say. So if I say good morning, she can say like what the traffic is to like work or class. She can tell me what the weather is. It's also so cool because like even like my grocery list can now just go to her. Like I can be like, Alexa, add broccoli to my grocery list.
I couldn't find a list called grocery. Should I create one?
Yes.
I've created grocery list and added broccoli to it.
Like on my phone after that, I can literally go into my Alexa app and find my grocery list, and it'll literally be a check off list that I can carry with me to the grocery store and check them off as I go. Like how cool is that? So with that, it came in a set. I got the Amazon Fire Stick, which I'm also so excited to use because I don't have cable at college in our house because I don't know, my roommates and I just decided like why pay extra money for cable when we all have streaming services, we all have laptops with HDMI cords, so we just usually just plug it into the TV. But I'm bringing my TV back to school to put in my room. I don't want to have to like plug in my HDMI cord all the time, so this will come in handy. Next thing I got, I asked for these. I am so in love. I got, okay, how do I say this? Is it Quay? Key? I don't know how to say it. The sunglasses, whatever it is, Australia. I wanted a pair of sunglasses from them so bad, and I got the, everyone in my family like laughed at me. They were like, you look ridiculous, but it's called Style. Everyone, they are the I am so busy sunglasses. Look how fly they are. I genuinely feel like when I'm wearing them, I am so busy. They're so cute. And they came in this super adorable sunglass case. I swear my family knows me so well, but my sister got me these Steve Madden slip-ons that I have been wanting for so long. They have like a little bit of platform to them. Every time I see them, I walk by them in Nordstrom, I'm like, oh my gosh, I want them. Then I also got this necklace from Brandy Melville. I think this will look so good layering it with this necklace. Then my sister also got me this candle. It's from Bath and Body Works. It is champagne toast. It smells so amazing. Then I got this avocado bath and shower gel. You all know how much I love avocado, so I'm so excited to use this. Then I also got this mud mask. It has witch hazel in it, which I hear is so good for your skin, and honeysuckle. And then I also got these beautiful earrings from my sister. They're from Altered State. I am in love. They have these little fringes and they're hoops. I got this aromatherapy lotion. It's black chamomile for sleep. Honestly, it smells so good. I used this last night before I went to bed and it put me right to sleep. So my mom knows that I always love having notebooks and I love just like jotting things down. So she got me these 3 notebooks. They're just super unique. They have all these shapes on them and they just have some nice paper. If it focuses on that, some nice paper in it that I can just pick up and write anything down that I need to. And then it also came with these stickers that I can use in the book. They're just these, let me find one. They're just these cute paper stickers. I think that is all for items. So now moving on to clothes. The first thing I got, I'm actually wearing it right now. I got this in white too, but I also wore white on Christmas Day. So it's like in the bottom of my hamper and I'm not gonna pull it out. But I got these 2 sweaters. They're very versatile sweaters. Super in love with them. They're from Urban Outfitters. I actually picked them out in Urban and my mom bought them and was like, I'll give it to you on Christmas Day. So yeah, I think it's so adorable and it looks so good with my blonde hair. Then from Brandy Melville, I got this adorable sweater. It has these stripes on it and it's a little bit cropped and definitely fitted. I think it looks so good with like some high-waisted loose fit jeans, like high-waist mom jeans. It looks so great. From Aerie, I got this adorable sweater. I'm loving this color. I got 2 things in these colors. I actually picked them out. It's this nice everyday sweatshirt sweater thing that I can wear to class with some leggings, and it is so soft. I love this thing so much. I think they are so in. I believe that this is from Amazing Lace. It's a boutique that I've really been loving lately. It is this shirt with these sort of like gypsy sleeves to it. I think that they are so unique and so in. Also really been needing some cardigans lately, and I got this nice gray cardigan from American Eagle. I love how it has buttons down the side and it's nice and long that I can just wear it to class with a big t-shirt. Then from Altered State, I got this Sherpa. I'm obsessed with Sherpas nowadays. They're so soft. It's a very light pinkish white color. Can you tell that I like Altered State? This is also from Altered State. I love this color again. It's a very chunky, nice yellow sweater, kind of like a mustard color, and I love the sleeves, how it gets kind of tighter towards the end of it. So then of course I love my Gymshark, so I had to get a new set. I got this sports bra, and then I got the matching leggings with them, and fun fact, I have already worn these to the gym. So they definitely smell bad. So yeah, that is everything that I got for Christmas from my family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on my fitness Instagram, all that good stuff. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you all next time.